Do you feel tired of life? Do you feel like you're not doing enough? Do you feel like everyone is succeeding except you? Did you try to start a business and it failed? Do you feel like everyone is making it, but just you? Do you feel like you're standing still? Do you feel like the burden of the world is upon your shoulders? It's normal to feel that way. Everyone feels that way sometimes. Even the richest people in the world, they feel that way sometimes. Even the strongest athletes, they feel that way sometimes. Everyone feels that way sometimes. So what you are going through is a normal process. It's a gradual process. So many people feel that way every single day. So don't think you're alone. You are not alone. If you're feeling sad, feeling down, feeling depressed right now, remember, there's no happiness without sadness. If you didn't have sad moments, you wouldn't understand how amazing the happy moments feel. So anything you feel right now, it's gonna pass. That's why there's a saying, these too will pass. Let's try something out. Pick up a pen and pick up a piece of paper. Now, any map that you know, start trying to draw that map. Maybe it's a map of the USA, it's a map of Nigeria, it's a map of Ghana, it's the map of any European country, any country you find yourself or that you know how to draw the map. Try to draw the map. Now, while trying to draw that map, you realize that all maps have twists and turns. When you're drawing the map, it goes left, right, right, right. It has no straight line. That's how life is. I understand the map might feel scantily drawn when you're drawing it at the beginning. But when you finish drawing the map, it's gonna make sense. That's how everyone's life is. When you start the map, it seems very hard. And when you are done, it all makes sense. And you will understand why you had to go through what you're going through. Now, one of the very first things you might want to do is just do nothing. You shouldn't do anything. If you feel sad, if you feel depressed, if you feel down, if your body tells you you don't want to do anything today, that's all right. That's okay. Take a break. Look into yourself. Try to refresh your mind. Well, it might sound strange that when you feel down or you feel depressed, the first thing you should do is actually do nothing. Yeah, give yourself a break. You know, sometimes you might feel this way due to pressure, lots of pressure. Sometimes you might feel this way due to problems, due to trouble, left and right, family, relationships, your business failing. In this case, do nothing. Take a day off. Take 2 days off. Stay in bed. Relax. Give yourself a break. Let your body get the space it needs. Let your heart rest. Think about what you want. Think about where you're heading to. Don't try to go too fast. Everything happens at the right time. So that's the first thing I advise you should do. Just take a break, do nothing, get some rest, relax yourself, and just stay in bed, stay in your couch. Just do nothing. Now guys, for the second helpful step that you can take is to do something you love. Do something you like. Do an activity. If you like yoga, if you like to exercise, if you like to do push-ups, if you like music, if you like to sing, if you like to watch movies, if you like cooking, anything you like to do it. Appreciate yourself. Do something for you, not for someone else. Do something to appreciate yourself. Do something that would make you feel relaxed, make you feel happy. Do something that once you're done doing that thing, you will feel accomplished. For example, if you love cooking, you can buy some ingredients, buy some stuff that you want to cook, come home, relax, start cooking. Once you're done, you set the table for yourself, you treat yourself very well. Appreciate yourself for cooking such a delicious meal. Relax and enjoy. Doing an activity and accomplishing the task is a small win, but it goes a long way. Remember, in life, you need to always appreciate all the small wins that you get. Now, after you have accomplished the first two tasks, the next thing you should do is appreciate the little things. You need to appreciate the little things in your life. There's so many basic things that so many people do take for granted. We only try to look at the bigger picture without looking at the smaller picture, without trying to appreciate our baby steps. When you were younger, when you started life, when you were a baby, you didn't just start working. You had to take your first steps, and then you grew stronger, and then you could run, and then you could drive a car, and then you could do so many more things. That's how life is. You can't have everything at the same time. So first, you need to appreciate your little wins. Appreciate the little things. Back in 2020, so many people lost their lives. Every single day, so many people lose their lives. But you are still here. If you are here for a purpose. So don't give that up. Remember that the little things you have is what someone somewhere is praying for every single day. You might have good drinking water. You might have electricity. There's someone somewhere who doesn't have any of this. You might have your feet. You might have your hands. You can breathe fresh air. You have a place to sleep. You have a pair of shoes on your feet. These are little things that you should appreciate. When you begin to appreciate these little things, then you can build them up into the bigger picture. That way you can set a goal, how to move forward, how to build yourself up for greater achievements. Remember, appreciating the little things do not stop you from aspiring to achieve as much as you can in life. But then, if you can't appreciate the little things now, you won't be able to appreciate the bigger things when it comes. So you need to start now. Don't feel sad. Don't feel depressed. Love what you have. Aspire for bigger goals, and you will get there. Now guys, this last point is an aspect that affects so many people lately. Don't compare yourself to others. Do not compare yourself to others. Remember, everyone is on a different journey. Everyone has their lives planned according to the way they want. With the advancement of social media and the internet, so many people scroll through Instagram, scroll through Facebook, scroll through TikTok, Twitter, and they see some people living their dream lives. Remember, that's just social media. Even if it's real, everything comes at the right time. Someone might be at 8 over 10 right now. Let's just say the maximum is 10. Someone might feel like they're at 8, of course. Feeling accomplished, feeling good, feeling happy with so much. Then maybe you are at 3 or 4 and you're feeling down and sad and feeling like you're not accomplishing anything enough, feeling like everything is going to ruins. You never know. Just a single second, just a phone call away, just a single day, your life can change and you can move up to 9. It definitely can happen. There's so many situations in the world where people feel so self-accomplished that they forget to appreciate the basic things and remember where they started from. When you have this mindset, you can definitely make it in the long run. So do not try to compare your life to others. Everyone is on a different journey. We might have similar goals, but the journey is different. And if you're a business person working hard every day, of course, like I said in my previous video, you need to do your best to use social media as much as possible, because that's where you can find so many clients. So if you can do that, then you can make use of social media while looking at the dream life that you want to achieve. So guys, to conclude this video, remember that the next second might be the moment that changes your life forever. The next phone call might be the moment that changes your life forever. Just going out of your door might be the moment that changes your life forever. So don't take anything for granted. And remember, Staying for too long, feeling depressed, might not lead you to where you want to be. You need to wake up, get dressed, show up, and then fate will lead you to the right destination. In the future video, I will talk about law of attraction. That should definitely help you grow. When you feel depressed, it's normal. Do your best to keep fighting. After you have taken a break, appreciate yourself. Keep doing it. Keep on going. Remember, like I said in one of my previous videos, no one is coming to save you. So you have to save yourself. But then if you need to take a break and then get back up 5 times better, 10 times better. And you should remember this. Luck comes to those who put themselves in the right position. There's luck, but then if you do not put yourself in the right situation sometimes, or in the right position sometimes, you might miss your luck. So you need to do that. Put in the work. It's gonna work with fate, and you can attract what you want. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to click the bell so that next time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you so much for watching. This is Willen. See you next time.